Hi, I'm Jill. I'm a functional nutritionist, elite trainer, and proud CanPrev ambassador. And here's one of my favorite immune boosting smoothies. Let's start off with CanPrev's Myco10, and I love this product. It has 7 medicinal mushrooms and 3 whole food antioxidants. And I add in a scoop of glutamine for a healthy gut. I also add in 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder and about a 1/4 cup of mixed berries. These really pack in immune boosting antioxidants. And I also add in half an avocado and a cup of plant-based milk. Myco10 is certified organic. You know it tastes good, and I can't wait to have a sip.